Dear engineers, when we move across number of electrical line guardings, particularly LT in villages, there is seen small sparking at lacing and guarding wire joints at number of places, and at some places the picture is like this: guarding wire broken or lacing broken. Result that in case conductor breaks, it falls on ground and actions take place. Hence, the working shall be such that under no circumstances guarding wire is broken or lacing is broken. Now, why these things happen? These things happen as per my study are like this. The guarding wire is seen broken in this general observation. When we go under in villages at night, the guarding wire is seen broken. At number of places, the lacings get broken. At night, in number of guardings at lacing binding point with guard wire, minute sparkings are found. Why? Why these sparkings are there? These sparkings are there due to 1. Inefficient DTC earthing. 2. At every pole of LT line, inefficient earthing of neutral conductor. 3. Inefficient earthing of guarding on both poles. Unequal loading on the three phases. That is, all the three phases of DTC are not equally loaded. 5th, in fault condition, the neutral floating voltage is in guarding and thus due to air gaps in lacing points, there is a small sparking in the joint. This is a joint. This is a joint. And at this joint, generally, due to imbalance load on the transformer, neutral always carry balance current. And as the DTC earthing is inefficient, it carries floating voltage. And that floating voltage is carried by the pole, and on that pole guarding is fixed, and that floating voltage is transferred to this guard wire, and in this guard wire and with its lacing at the joint, due to air gaps in the joint, there is small sparking seen at night, and this continuous sparking either the lacing breaks. And sometimes what happens, if during fault condition conductor is broken and rests on the lacing gets the voltage of that conductor, and the current in the lacing while entering in the guard wire, due to inefficient joint, there is sparking, and if the conductor is high, then as seen in this photo, either the guard wire breaks due to sparking or lacing breaks. And hence, to avoid this damage to guard wire or lacing, the transformer shall be, the The load on the transformer of on the three phases shall be equal. That is, balance current should be as far as nearing to zero. The neutral earthing of a DTC shall be efficient. Fifth pole neutral earthing shall be efficient. Guard wire earthing at both poles shall be efficient. In short, a complete earthing system shall be efficient to protect this guarding. And the guarding is essential to rest the conductor or the broken conductor, to avoid its falling on human and animal, and to avoid accidents. Hence, I think you have got my point. My point is that the breakages, damages of guard wire or lacing are due to bad earthing system, improper fuse size, and unequal loading of the three phases of a DTC. This is what I wanted to emphasize to protect the guardings. If some doubt is there and not convinced with my explanation, kindly guide me or write me or post me. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief MCB and National Safety Council member. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube video channel for such safety related videos. Thank you. Kindly subscribe.